Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to place LCD screen display on the Google Pixel for a mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is the LCD screen removal from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the LCD screen a little. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Next, lift the LCD screen gradually to about 90-degree angle from the top. And then pull out the LCD connector bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the LCD connector to free the screen from the body. Next, clean the edges for adhesive strips or broken glass bits. Next, connect the new screen for testing. Once the testing has passed, add 2 screws with the bracket. Next, before securing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. When installing the screen, gently slide in the screen from the bottom and then to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we add in binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tie the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.